Hi, Dee.
Hi, teacher.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. Okay, so I saw your homework. You posted it in Zalo. Okay, so we will read your homework first.
Yes.
Okay,
I go to Vũ Yên Ferry Walk. Last Sunday, go by car. I go to the zoo and go to the water park. I eat snack, ice cream, and drink soda. I enjoy a food yummy.
okay. So from your homework, okay, so we have here your answers. Okay, I believe it has to be like 30 to 50 words, right? Okay,
Yes.
so do you think this will be more than 30? Did you count it?
It's 36.
Okay, it's 36. Okay, so that means you met the criteria. Okay. So before we go into the next lesson, because we have a new lesson now. Okay, so I'm going to give you, okay, I wrote something earlier. Let me see if I could find it. Okay, just give me a second. I thought I closed the one that I did. Okay, just give me a sec so we can work on your, okay, grammar. Okay, there you go.
Yes.
Okay, let's look. Okay, so from your writing, okay, from your homework, okay, we will
Yes.
just organize your homework. Okay, so like this one, in doing a paragraph, okay, or an essay, okay, what you did earlier or what you did from your homework is an essay. Okay, when we say essay, it is composed of many words. Okay, so in an
Yes.
essay, so we have the so-called introduction, body, and conclusion. Okay, so we have three parts. Okay, so here we have an easy way to remember. Okay, when you are writing an essay, okay, your introduction must be where, when, or who. Or you can define, okay, the
Yes.
introduction or what is your paragraph or essay is about. Okay, but we will just
Yes.
look into your homework. Okay, so we will just organize your homework. So in body, okay, what happened? Okay, so on the middle of your paragraph, okay, or your homework, you can use the body or second part as with the question, what happened? Okay, so you will tell teacher what happened in this part. Okay, okay, when
Yes.
you went to the zoo, what happened? What did you see? Okay,
I go to the zoo. I can see a rabbit,
yeah.
monkey, a bird, a lion, and
Okay, so,
no,
mm,
a tiger, a
okay,
tiger.
so like that.
Um,
Okay, so that's how you do
um,
your body. Okay, so in writing
yes,
an essay, you can use that as your question so you can organize, okay, your essay. And lastly, we have, what is this? Conclusion. Okay, when we say conclusion, so you will
conclusion.
summarize, okay, or you will make your essay shorter. Okay, So you will conclude like this one. Conclusion, how did you feel? What is your final thought or what is your feeling about your trip to Buyan Fairy World? Okay, so that is
Yeah.
how you that's how you write your essay. Okay, can you say it? Essay.
Essay.
Okay, so now let's look. Okay, so remember you sent me your answer, right? Okay, your homework. Okay, so this is the proper way of doing your homework. Okay, so it has or it is divided into 3 parts. Okay, so of course in a paragraph it has to be like 3 sentences or at least 4 sentences. Okay, in a paragraph, so you must have like 4 sentences. Okay, so
Okay.
okay, so like this one, my trip. Okay, we will indent. Okay, let's indent. When we say indent, you have to, okay, make your title in the middle part. Okay, we call it indent. Okay, last Sunday, I went to Buyan Fairy World with my family. We traveled there by car. And I was very excited because it was my first time visiting the place. Okay, next. So this is your introduction. Okay, so you will just give the reader like something about what you or something about this trip. Okay, but you will not tell everything. Okay, you will tell everything here in your body. Okay, you will tell me what happened. So this is your body. Okay, first, we went to the zoo where I saw many interesting animals. Okay, like what you said, you can add what animals did you see? Okay, what are the animals you see?
Well, I can now see tiger, monkey, capybara,
Okay.
cat, many animals.
Okay, so in the body, you can also add those. Okay, what happened in the zoo. Okay, so that's how you do it. So like this. After that, so you will tell what happened first. Okay, and then the next what happened again. Then the next what happened again. Okay, you will tell the story. Okay, the sequence of events. Okay, so like this.
Okay.
After that, we had fun at the water park and enjoyed playing together. We also ate delicious snacks like ice cream, such as ice cream and drank soft drinks. Everything was very tasty and I enjoyed the food. Okay. Again, in the body, you will tell me what happened. Okay, so that's how you do it. Okay, so now let's go with this one is your conclusion.
Conclusion.
Yes, conclusion. You will tell teacher about how you feel on your trip to Buyan Fairy World. Okay, so overall, okay, you can use this word overall or finally.
Overall.
Yes, finally or I therefore conclude. So you can also use that. Okay, there are words that you can use. Okay, I therefore conclude like that. Okay, so you can also use this. Okay, overall, I had a wonderful day at Buyan Fairy World.
Very good. I had lots of fun with my family, and I hope I can visit there again someday.
Okay, very good. Okay, so that's how you write your essay. Again, there are 3 parts. What are those again?
Last Sunday, I went.
What are the parts? What are the parts of essay?
Introduction.
Introduction
Body.
and
Body. Collision.
Conclusion. Okay,
Collision.
conclusion.
Conclusion.
Very good. Okay, so next time when you write a story or when you write an essay, you can use those three, okay? So, do you have a question here? No question? Okay, let's go
Yes.
with, okay, let's now go with your Kids Box 3, Unit 1, Lesson 1. Okay. Okay, let's do the slideshow. Okay, can you read it for me, Deep?
Okay. Unit 1, Family Matters.
Okay, family matters. Okay, when
Matters.
you hear about family, what do you think it is about?
I say my families. Okay. Hello everyone. Today I would like to tell you about my topic, my family. There are 5 people in my family. They are my grandpa, my father, my mother, my brother, and me. My grandpa is I don't is he don't work because he is old.
Okay.
And I don't. My father is an office worker. He's work in office worker. My mother is office worker too. She work in office. My brother and me, my brother and I are study the same school. We usually play with my family in the last in no in the weekend no at the weekend. Yes.
Okay, so that's good to know. Okay, so you have like you are 5 in the family. Okay, so you include your grandfather. Did you say
My
grandmother?
father,
Your grandfather, your father, mother, brother, and you. Okay, so
yes.
you are 5 in the family or in your house. Okay, that's good to know that your mom and your dad work in an office. Okay, and your brother and you usually what? Go to school. Okay, you have the same school. Okay,
Yes.
and every weekend, you and your family are going out together and spend time together.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, you know how to express yourself. Okay, and even introducing yourself. That's very good. Okay, Deep. Okay, so now we have lesson 1. Okay, so that is actually
I
our
have a book. Have a family. Is I translate.
Okay, so while teacher is looking at this, okay, so we have here, okay, of course, we have warm up, vocabulary, and practice. Okay. Okay, let me know when you're ready.
1 minute.
Okay.
Teacher,
Yeah.
I on the left example the title on. this tail.
Okay, again, what is it? Okay, let
I
me.
have a book. The book have this the example. This tail.
Okay, so you have examples. Okay,
This.
let me see.
This.
Ah, okay, good.
But it's have my family. This my name is Nhật Hưng. There are 4 people in my family. They are my father, my mother, my brother, and me. My father is a writer. He work at home. My mother is a cook. She cooks at an Italian restaurant. My brother and I are students. We study at the same school. My family usually go for a trip on the weekends. I love my family.
Okay, so is that about you and your family?
No, my family have 5 people.
Okay,
And don't usually go to trip.
yeah, okay. So I thought that's another information about your family. Okay, so now we have here, of course, let's play first. Okay, who am I? Okay, can you say it?
I'm Ziap.
Who am I? Okay, so can you guess who I am in the family?
I'm your mom.
Okay, I'm
It's
your
my
mom.
mother.
Who am
My
I?
mother.
Okay, so she is your mother. Okay, if you will describe your mommy, how will you describe your mommy?
Draw.
No, you can just tell teacher like she like
She a
beautiful.
beautiful.
What else?
My mother is beautiful and she have a long hair and she tall more is she is tall. Yes, same
Okay,
tall.
she is
This
tall.
oh
Yeah,
this
tall.
this this, this is see exercise. This is my father.
Okay, so your
He
mom is
is
taller than.
tall. He tall and
Okay,
tall more. And my mother
okay,
my father is tall but not tall same C.
okay. Okay, I get that. So your mom is taller than your father. Okay, so we say taller. Okay, that is an adjective or how you describe your mom. Okay, taller. Okay, if someone is, okay, let's say this one, tall.
Tall.
Okay, but if a person is higher than the other person, we call it taller.
She is ugly. Ugly. She is ugly.
Okay, let's, is this one is ugly? Oh no. But
Yeah.
if someone, okay.
Beautiful.
Okay, so
And
this one,
my
look,
mom.
tall. This one is tall, taller. But if the other person is like the highest one, so we call it tallest. Okay,
Okay.
tallest. Okay, so
Tallest.
that's how we do it. Tall,
No.
taller.
My teacher say me is taller. Taller.
Yes, taller. If you are comparing two, okay,
You
two
say
person.
tall, but I say tall. You say tall, but I say
Oh,
tall.
okay, it's tall, not tall. Because this one is the spelling of tall. Okay, this one is different. Okay, this one is how you describe someone. If someone's height is, you know, tall, okay, so it talks about the height, okay, or the length, okay, like this one. This one is tall. Okay, look,
Yes.
this is tall. I meant,
Yes.
sorry. This one is tall and this one is tall.
I say
Okay.
tall because I think this letter A and this is tall. A.
Okay.
Not tall.
Okay, because in English, sometimes we have sometimes there are words that we have to pronounce O as A. Okay, and sometimes A we pronounce A as O. There are times like that. Okay, so I think let's go with another one. How about this one? Can you guess who I am in the family? I'm your dad. Who am
My
I?
dad is kind. He is I am Chancellor.
Okay,
Ah,
so if
he is happily. No, it's happily. I don't know. Say I remember. It's
happy
the
person. Okay, happy person. Happy
No,
person.
happily. Oh, I translate.
Okay. Or you can actually write it here.
Here is gentle, and not kind. Yes, kind, but he usually say me. He say is more is this right? But he say is tall. No, it's big I translate.
Okay. So when you say dad, so what part of the family is he? So of course he is the father. Okay, you have to say it later. Father.
Yes.
Okay, let me know when you're done.
Teacher, this.
Yes.
Oh no. It's nothing like this. This. Okay.
Okay, what is it now?
My father is he is always cook me with wrong. I never do anything wrong.
Okay, so he always cooks. He likes to
Yes.
cook. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I actually like to cook as well. Okay, so now how about this one? I'm your dad's father. Who am I? What do you call him?
No, it's grandpa. My
Yes.
grandpa is in school.
Okay,
It's same my grandpa. Yes.
Grandpa
My
or
grandpa is 79.
wow, 79.
But
Good.
he usually cooking in the evening and in the it's at noon. Yes.
Okay, so he's very strong. Even he is 79 years old
Yeah.
already. That's
And
good.
he usually call with his friend, and his friend is usually go to my house.
Oh, okay. So his
He
friends.
and he usually and his my his parent and my his friend my parent grandpa usually give me ice creams.
Wow. Okay. So he's very sweet. So your grandfather
His
usually
ice cream.
come over. Okay, we say when someone is going in your house, we say it come over or came over. Okay, we say it come over. Okay, like your father, like your granddad's friend. Okay, my grandfather's friend come over in our house and he usually gives me an ice cream. Okay, so that's how you say it. Okay, come over. Or if he already left, so we use came. Okay, because came is the past tense of come. Okay, came over. My grandfather's friend came over in our house last night. yesterday, last Sunday. Okay, so if it happened in the past, we usually or we say came over. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's move on to the another one. So I'm your mom's mother. Who am I?
Most is my grandma.
Yes. So
I love
grandma
my
or
grandma. I love
yeah.
my grandma because I go to the countryside. She usually give me many foods
Mm.
she usually no, she is kind and I'm sorry.
Okay. Okay, so your
And she
grandma.
is kind. She is kind and um um
Okay, so your grandmother lives in
and
countryside.
she and teacher and she is this I know she's easygoing.
Oh, okay.
Easygoing.
So she's easygoing. Okay, she's like carefree. Okay, so like that,
Yes,
carefree.
I love my grandma and my grandpa my is my grandpa fa no it's
On your
mom
father's side?
grandpa. No,
Uh-huh.
my mom
Oh,
grandpa.
mom. Okay, okay.
Is I go to the countryside. He is
Mhm.
usually give me man no um he is usually
Okay, she gives you.
please money
Oh, she gives you money.
because he no is my grandpa mother.
Okay.
He is usually please money and because he is
Okay, so
uh,
that's good to know. Okay, so you love your grandparents. Okay, when we say
um
grandma and grandpa, so both of them we call them grandparents.
because of my mother my mother grandfather is please I go to the countryside. My grandfather is please me money and because he is gambling.
Oh, okay, so he gambled. Okay.
My mother doesn't have a sister because he is a sister. She
Oh,
is a sister. And a younger sister, he is she have 4 younger sister.
oh, okay. That's good to
As
know.
one out one uncle, one out and 3 out and one uncle. It's
Okay.
my my mother no my mother
Mm-hmm.
this my mother is have one sister, younger sister,
Okay.
uncle,
Okay. Yeah, so that's good
twins
to know.
and twins.
Oh, twin. Okay,
It's
we say
yes,
twin.
it's sister. Twin is sister.
Okay, twin. Okay, we say twin sister. Okay, not twine. Okay, twin. Because when we say twine, it is like a rope. Okay, this is what we read as twine. Okay, this one is twin. Okay, so we say
Yes.
twin. Okay, so now let's go. I'm your sister's mother. What is this? Oh no, what happened? Okay, so
I
she is
don't
your
know.
aunt. Okay, so your mom's twin sisters. are your aunts. Okay, we will
Yes.
call them aunt. How about I'm your brother's father? Who am I? Okay, look, brothers.
It's
father.
my brother. It's
Okay, what do you call?
uncle. This is my uncle, and
Okay, look.
he usually he is near his house is near my house, and he's usually say me go for trip with his families.
Okay, so I don't look at this. I'm your brother's father. It has to be I'm your father's.
My uncle.
Okay.
My uncle.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's correct this one. I'm your father's brother. So it has to be switched. Okay, not I'm your brother's father. It's supposed to be I'm your father's brother. Who am I? So that is he is your uncle. Okay. Next. So now let's go with the vocabulary. Okay, can you say it?
Vocabulary.
Okay. So these are the sets of words. Okay. So we have, okay, can you please read
Family.
this? Okay, family. Okay, can you say this in Vietnam? How do you say family in Vietnamese?
It's Zading. Zading.
Garden? Garden?
Zading. Zading.
Yeah.
Not garden.
Oh, Zaden?
You say Zading.
Yeah. Okay, that's good to know.
Zading.
Zaden.
It's my this is a Zading. Ding.
Zaden. Okay, that is really hard to pronounce. Okay, but that's good to know.
It's easy.
Oh yeah, because you were born Vietnamese and teacher. Okay, so in us, we call family as pamilya.
Teacher, I can say easy your Philippine, but I don't know. But you can say exercise is be. You say bye. I can say bye. Yes.
Okay, so we have the same. We have the
Not
same.
raising. Yes.
Okay. So
But
here,
I don't know.
okay, about this one.
Aunt.
Okay, aunt. Okay, can you say this?
It's cozy. Cozy.
Cozy.
It's have this is tech. This is cold. This
Cold.
is
the cozy. Okay,
yes.
good to know. Okay, I will use some of the Vietnamese words. I have to memorize this. Okay. Okay, next.
Uncle is
Okay.
chú. Back.
Back. Chú back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you say back?
Act.
Can you say act?
Okay.
Act. It's this act. Is
okay.
It's
Chú.
Yes.
Okay, so chú back. Okay.
Yeah.
So you will be my Vietnamese teacher and I will be your English teacher. Okay, that's cool. Okay, how about this one?
Daughter.
Okay, again.
Daughter.
Okay, so we say it daughter. Okay, daughter.
Daughter.
Okay,
And I think it's have son. It's have a son.
Oh,
It's
okay.
boy. Okay, it's a con.
Con.
Gái.
Con
Yes.
gái.
Con gái is you. It's it girl. Con gái.
Okay. Okay. So now we have, oh, this one is very easy.
Son.
Yes.
Con. Trai.
Try.
Yes.
Okay. Next, how about this one?
Not try. It's Shy.
Shy. Okay, like the word shy. Okay. Okay, next.
It's our granddaughter.
Okay.
Granddaughter.
Okay, very good. Granddaughter.
Daughter.
Okay, next. How about this one?
Grandson. It's
Okay.
cháu. Shy.
Shy.
Yes.
Try.
Okay, very good.
This is so hard for teacher, but that is so cool that you are helping me. Okay, next. How about this one?
You can spell is O. O is in the English is O. Not O. O.
Oh,
And
okay,
this
so
is
it's like a long.
no. And say this is ông bà. I can spell I can spell ông bà. Give you it's o ngờ ông o ngờ ông bờ a ba huyền bà.
Okay, that is so cute. Okay, so now let's read this one.
Grandparents.
Okay, grandparents. Parents.
Parents.
Grandparents.
Parents. Grandparents.
Parents.
Parents.
Yes, that's
Parents.
it. Grandparents. Okay, very good.
Parents.
Okay. So here we have the names of or the members of our family. So number one, we have aunt.
Oh, do you have listen? Do you have a listen?
No, this one is a PowerPoint. Okay, so I'm going to, we already read it earlier. So I am going to just listen to you so I can correct you if it's not, pronounced properly. Okay, can you say it?
Aunt.
Uncle.
Okay, uncle. Uncle. Daughter.
Very good.
Son. Granddaughter.
Again.
Grandson.
This one.
Granddaughter.
Daughter.
Granddaughter.
Very good.
Okay. Grandson. Grandparents.
Parents.
Parents.
Okay, very good. There you go. Okay, so now we will have a review game. Are you ready?
Yes. Ew,
Okay.
it's teacher, I can draw this. This is no, I translate.
Okay. Deep, I think you need to rejoin teacher, okay? Because I don't know why we have a timer on Miss Ngok account. Okay, so I'm going to send you my personal account again later, okay?
Yes.
Because we only have look, can you see the time here? We only have 1 minute and 4 seconds. Okay, but let's just consume it. Okay, so from this, we have, okay, so like this one, number 1. Okay, okay. So it's crying, it's crying. That's okay. It's just like an emoji, okay? But it doesn't mean your answer is correct. Okay, so, okay, earlier it is, what we call this one? Uncle. Yeah. Okay, so that is uncle.
Oh, it's thick. Yes.
Okay, so we will just.
I can spell.
Okay, next, number 2.
I can spell.
Okay, how about number 2?
I can't see. Oh. I can't see.
You can't see it?